Hi there, it's Deborah. So here's a scenario that I get a lot of calls about. The idea is that I have a list of customers or prospects and I want to import them, and then I want to run a list of all of those properties that were impacted with 1-inch hail or greater for the past year. So here's how to get that information. First of all, I want to clean up this screen a little bit. So on the toolbar, I'll select this Search Markers button. I want to cluster these markers so that I can see the map more. So I'm going to slide this slider over about 3/4 of the way. That's better. I'll close this window. Now I want to find the last 12 months of hail events that have happened for this area. Over on the left-hand panel, I'll choose Finder. Give it a date range of the last 12 months, and then click Find Hail. The hail dates listed here are the hail events that have happened in the last 12 months. I'll click Combine to combine all of the events to one map. This color of the swath is 1-inch hail, and this color is 1 1/4. So my goal is to run a list of every property that has 1 1/4 inch hail impacts for the year. To get that, I'll need to draw a sales territory. Choose Map Options and draw sales territory. Then, with your mouse pointer, we're going to tap, move, tap, move, tap, move, all the way around this swath that has 1 1/4 inch and greater. Once you've enclosed the territory, you'll see a Territory Properties window. This territory is stored to the map date of 9/8, and you can change the title of the territory if you like. I think I'll make this 1.25 inch hail around Norman. If you want to monitor this for future hail, go ahead and select a hail size. I'll choose 1 inch. Now, if I want to show all markers that are anything besides the map date, which is the 9/8, then I'll want to make sure I uncheck that box and then save it. To open my list, I'll want to click somewhere inside the territory without touching a marker and choose Open. So this is a list of all of the markers within this territory, regardless of what status it is. If you want to filter by prospect, just tap on that status name. Click Export CSV to get a download file of all of these markers. Well, that's it for this little project. If you have any questions, just reach out to us. We're happy to help.